Hello, it's JM16. This is just got to be a small video of some of the trains I'm running today and about the point motors. First I want to say thanks to everyone who commented to tell me how to get the point motors working. But I've started the second one, which is this one here, but unfortunately I've run out of wire. So I'll have to get some next week sometime. Go over to the station. I've got J94 wiblebury again, National Coal Board, and a main train that will be running on here a lot is V2 Green Hours LNER livery, and he's pulling 3 GWR coaches. But when I get the observation coach, he will be putting a Pullman Devon Bow. The V2 has been used once on the main line. That's what you need. There it goes up to the tunnel. Track will need cleaning again. Always got to clean it this morning. You see how good the express points are. There's one now. Can't even see that. The train comes up. Let's move the train. There's the express point. These are Pico Express medium points. And they work very good. And I've got to get a curve point here, and then the one track go off into the platform 2, and the other track off the point come through here and go into a massive engine shed, which is a Magna one of the new Hornby range, and it'll be that. Then there'll be a small siding beside him for 3 tankers for the gas works, which will be that, and then a side in here with 3 park end wagons in. So thanks again for the help on the points. There'll be more videos later on today probably.